If you're currently on your first set of spouse leave and it's due to expire, then you need to apply for a spouse extension. Or if you're on your second set of spouse extension leave and you're unable to apply for indefinite leave to remain, and this is usually if you're unable to pass the Life in the UK test, then you need to apply for a spouse extension. The requirements for spouse visa extension are the same as the first initial grant for spouse leave, save for the fact that you need to show progression in your English language requirement. You'll need to show for your extension application that you can pass the language at A2 level or above. The financial threshold remains at 18,600. However, for your extension application, you can combine your income as well as your partner's income to satisfy the 18,600. If your children are British citizen, then the financial requirement remains as 18,600. However, if you have dependent children which are non-British citizens, then the financial threshold will increase per child. This depends on the method of your application submission. If you post your application, then you're likely to expect a decision within 6 months. If you use the Home Office Priority Service and book an appointment to attend one of the Home Office Premium Service Centres for the same day service, then you can expect to receive a decision on the same day. One of the requirements is that you must show that your relationship is genuine and still subsisting. Good evidence to include in your application is evidence of your cohabitation from the time that you were granted your visa up until the date of your application. Further evidence can be adduced in the form of birth certificates if you've had children since that time. In order to prepare for the English language test, you can utilise our practice papers available on the Immigration Advice Service website. If you're looking for assistance with your spouse visa extension application, then the Immigration Advice Service can assist by providing you with detailed advice, assessing your eligibility for making such an application. We would advise you on the relevant documentation that needs to be submitted with such an application, as well as assessing whether those documents are sufficient. We would provide a detailed letter of representation outlining how you are able to satisfy those requirements, submit the application on your behalf, and liaise with the Home Office until a decision is made.